Hi friends, welcome to Baran Creations, Health, Cooking and Crafting. In this video, I will show you how to make paper butterflies. And this is my cute pet dolly. So let's start to make. First take color sheet. It should be in square shape. All sides are equal. Then what you have to do is fold like this. Then next fold like this half. You'll get a triangle. Next open it and fold half like this, then half. Okay, you should get like this lines. Then next what you have to do is fold like this, fold like this. Okay, next fold like this, see. So after folding like this, cut at the edge around. Okay, so after cutting like this at the edges, you will get like this. Okay, then what you have to do is fold this half like this and then the next half. Here after folding, turn back, then pull this up and take this edge and press it here at the front, then press it like this. Okay, and paper butterfly is ready. I have made many other color butterflies. They look very beautiful, and if you like my video, hit thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep watching Baran Creations. Thank you.